In this video, we will discuss about oogenesis, that is the process of formation of functional ova from oogonia or ova mother cell. Oo means egg, genesis means production. So in simple words, production of egg or production of ova, that process is called oogenesis. Where it occurs? It occurs in female ovary. Okay. And as you all already know that ovary is lined by germinal epithelium. So certain cells of germinal epithelium of ovary which are larger than others, they function as germ cells. They undergo repeated mitotic division to form diploid oogonia. Okay. Some approx millions of oogonia are formed in each fetal ovary. These oogonia form egg tubes of Pflüger which grow into cortex and give rise to multicellular mass called egg nest. One oogonium of this egg nest that grow in size and function as primary oocyte. Okay. And other oogonia, they cover this oocyte, this primary oocyte, and known as follicular cells, as we already discussed in internal structure of ovary. So first phase is multiplicative phase. In this phase, ova mother cell oogonia that undergo mitotic division and form large number of oogonia. Out of those oogonia, one that grow in size, become bigger in size, we call that primary oocyte. These all events happened before birth of female in her mother's uterus. Now this primary oocyte, before birth, it started meiotic division 1. It starts meiosis 1. And at the time of birth, that meiosis 1, prophase 1, means it's meiotic division that get arrested at which stage? प्रोफेज 1. कौन सी स्टेज पे इसका meiotic division रुक जाएगा? प्रोफेज 1. प्रोफेज 1 के कौन से स्टेप पे? डायकाइनेसिस स्टेज में. So it arrested its division at prophase 1, dikinesis stage of prophase 1. Now it remains in this arrested stage up to puberty. When she attains puberty, at that time what happens? Meiotic division 1 get completed and there is formation of secondary oocyte and first polar body from primary oocyte. Primary oocyte is diploid while the secondary oocyte, that is haploid, because it is formed because of meiosis 1. Now secondary oocyte, what will happen to it? Okay, this secondary oocyte, in secondary oocyte meiosis 2, it will undergo meiotic division 2, but in secondary oocyte meiotic division 2 get arrested at which stage? Metaphase 2 stage. Only fertilization by human sperm, it will change into final stage which is called ovum or oocyte. Okay, so secondary oocyte that get arrested at which stage? Its division get arrested at which stage? At metaphase 2. Why? Because of accumulation of metaphase promoting factor, and when sperm enter into secondary oocyte, then it triggers the breakdown of metaphase promoting factor and it promotes the synthesis of anaphase promoting complex, that is in short we can call that APC. So in this way meiosis 2 get completed only after fertilization and there is formation of ovum or oocyte, or that soon get changed into zygote by the fusion of male and female pronuclei. Okay, so oogenesis, that is formation of ova This process started in female before birth, and millions of primary follicles are formed in a female, and at the time of birth even millions of primary follicles are there, but the time period between birth and puberty, that number of follicles, they get degenerated and their number remains up to 60,000 to 80,000. Out of those 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicle, only 450 of them, they get mature in reproductive life of a female. And primary oocyte, which is the result of growth phase, it formed from oogonium. Like one of the oogonia that increase in size become bigger and known as primary oocyte, that started its meiotic division 1 before birth, and it get arrested at prophase 1 diakinesis stage or prophase 1. Then up to puberty it remains in this stage. When she attains puberty, then there is completion of meiotic division 1 and formation of secondary oocyte and polar body, which are haploid 1, and secondary oocyte change into ovum or ooted only when it get fertilized by sperm. As because of accumulation of metaphase promoting factor, it get arrested at metaphase 2 stage, but on entry of sperm, that trigger the breakdown of that MPF, metaphase promoting factor, and that initiate formation of APC, anaphase promoting complex. Meiosis 2 get completed and there is formation of ovum or ooted. In next video we will discuss about structure of ovum and hormonal control of oogenesis.